Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abi Erlangga. Today I want a presentation about Project 1 UTS Bahasa Inggris 2. Today I choose two topic. First topic about computer and two topic about hardware. The first topic is computer, understanding computer. In general, it is a set of electronic tools that can be used to process data in accordance with various procedures that have been previously formulated, so as to provide very useful information result for its user. Next is function of computer. The first one is input data. Computer machine are able to receive information or data from other source that came from outside. Two, data processing. The most important function of computer is to be able to process data, so that later it is able to produce output in the form of information. Three, output data is to be able to provide output result after going through various data processing process. For data storage, computer can also be presented as a place to store data, so that the data can be found easily and reused by its user. 5. Data movement. To be able to move data coming from one computer to another computer or various other output equipment. Uh, next, I will explain about hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is the part of computer that we can see in its physical form. Computer hardware is composite of electronic and mechanical components which are assembled to form modules which are named according to their function. Next, hardware components. The first one is motherboard. The motherboard is the unit that houses the central processing or CPU. Two, the CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer whose job is to processing and execute digital instructions from various programs. Three, hard drive. A hard drive is a permanent and temporary data storage space. Next, keyboard. The keyboard component is an input device that display a number of letters, numbers, and standard characters. And the last one is camera. The camera is also a hardware component. This device works by capturing image visually and streaming them to a computer or through a computer to a network device. And this is my experience. In 2020, I bought and built my own computer, which was installed at home using the components I explained above. Here the picture about my computer. I think that's enough about my presentation. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.